I'm Brian Fees, owner of Motivated RV, and this is what I do. We take old relics and bring them back to life and make them fun. It's a lifestyle business. I have a passion for it. I love the whole concept of freedom, and so taking something old too and making it new and refreshing is exciting. These RVs have history, and so it's exciting when somebody has the same passion as we do, brings it to us, we get excited as a team, and then they're excited when they pick it up. So it's a win-win for both. Some people think it's a junkyard because they see all these vintage trailers, but we do get a lot of new stuff in. We got vans that come in, custom vans that we build that start out as cargo vans, and I think that's a big push right now. Sites like Van Life and the younger kids, they want something that is stealthy, that they can, go in and park somewhere and not know that they're sleeping in it. And so we get a lot of those builds. This one came in with nothing in it, and we were able to do a full electrical system, awnings, solar system, and build out for a bed. We got a bunch of old vintage Airstreams and Spartans. Back over this way, we have a shuttle bus that we're working on. We have a pontoon boat that's going to be an Airstream, tons of Spartans. So, it's really just an eclectic group of weird vehicles that we build. Stuff that you just don't see every day, we have them here and we're restoring them. We're no blueprints. It's total creativity. And I think that's how we've been successful, is because we got craftsmen here. We got guys that, as a team, we collectively talk about what we're going to build. We come up with ideas. And let's face it, nothing in these trailers is straight or square. So you can have the best laid plans and 3D printouts. We've done that. And what goes back to is a piece of paper and a pen and my crude drawings, and that's what we work off of. And it's cool when they come back and you're like, wow, that really is awesome. Like, I can't believe we built that.